What do the number 1 and 2 mean on your Black+Decker cordless drill? So let's stay in mode 1 at the moment. And this means that the drill is in full torque mode. So it gives you the most torque that the drill offers. However, this section here, the chuck, so your drill bit at the end, will not spin as fast. This is ideal for drilling into concrete or brick or anything like that. Any hard material, you want to be in mode 1. So the full maximum torque of your drill to get into hard substances, but a slower spin. When we slip into mode 2, like this, there's less torque that the drill gives you, but the chuck and the drill bit will spin much faster. And what this is ideal for is to drill into softer wood or pilot holes or anything like that. So soft wood, pilot holes, things like that, mode 2. Less torque, so you won't rip through any material too quickly. Mode 1, full torque of your drill, slower spinning of the chuck, but gets into tougher materials like brick. So hopefully that better explains what the number 1 and the number 2 actually mean on your Black+Decker cordless drill. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.